and welcome to Cooking with Mahtab. Let's go and see together the recipe and all the tips for a homemade quince jam with an amazing, delicious and very beautiful color. First, thoroughly wash your quinces and remove the seeds. Don't throw away the seeds because they are extremely useful and excellent for making herbal tea. You don't need to peel the quinces. Cut the quinces into your desired shape. I chop them into large cubes, and the amount of quince I have is 1 kilo and 300 grams. It's better to use copper or aluminum pots for making your jam to enhance its quality. Pour the chopped quinces into a suitable pot and add water until it covers the surface. Now place the pot on high heat until the water inside the pot boils. Then reduce the heat and let the quinces stay in the boiling water for 30 minutes to soften a bit. Skim off the foam on the jam to have a clear and shiny jam in the end. After 30 minutes, it's time to add the sugar. I used 1 kilo of sugar for 1 kilo and 300 grams of quince. Now gently mix it until the sugar dissolves. If your quinces are sweet, you don't need to add equal sugar, but if they are sourer, add sugar equal to the amount. After the water boils again, place a cloth over the pot lid and let it cook on low heat until it becomes completely soft. Placing the cloth makes your jam's color burgundy and amazing. Cooking your jam takes about 3 to 4 hours, so make sure the stove heat is low. You can also use a heat diffuser. After 2 hours of cooking, as you can see, the color has changed but is not fully cooked. Pierce 10 cardamoms with a knife and add them to your jam. You can also crush the cardamoms. After your jam is fully cooked, it will become this vibrant. In the last 10 minutes of cooking, add a tablespoon of lemon juice to prevent mold and crystallization. For an extraordinary aroma, add 1 tablespoon of rose water. Now it's time to test the consistency. Pour some jam into a dish and place it in the freezer for 3 to 4 minutes. It will set quickly, and if it has a jelly-like consistency, it indicates sufficient thickness. Turn off the heat and let your jam cool down. Finally, remove the cardamoms from the jam. Then pour it into clean and dry jars and store it in the refrigerator. Enjoy! If you liked this video, I would appreciate it if you follow and stay with me.